Yeah man, yeah man. We out here representing for our people, you know. We are doing the emancipation walk. Emancipation walk is called, you know. It's Emancipation Day. Yeah. Yeah. We out here. I bring awareness, you know. We out here representing for our people. Yeah. So what I already can't again, you know. Yeah, we are buried. Yeah. And I resurrect. We are buried and I resurrect. Yeah. At the same time, you know. Yeah. We are buried and I resurrect. At the same time. Yeah. Emancipate yourself. It's Emancipation Day. It's a lion. Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. If you don't do it, we're going to do it for you. Eh? None can do it but you. That's why we're out here, you know. I bring awareness. Yeah man, we're out here, you see it? We're out here on the front line. On the front line we're there. Representing. You see, look. We're out here. We're out here. Representing for our brothers and sisters in spirit and in truth. Yeah. So we're not there in the flesh. We're there represent food, you know? Yeah. Where's the lion? I represent. Where else could I be? What else could I be doing? Eh? This is the future generation. Representing. You see, look, I represent for all them people. Look, you see, them not there, but I represent for them same way. You know, we are one, you know. Yeah. The many you see right now, we come out of one. The many came out of one. Don't forget that. That's why I'm out here on the front line. On the front line we there. That's what I tell them. Without a vision, our people perish. Our people perish. We have to have a dream. We have to have a dream. Dreamwork make the teamwork. Dreamwork make the teamwork. You don't get in a life what you want. You get in a life what you are. So you have to vibrate on a higher frequency. All frequency carry information. Thought is the electrical charge. Feeling is a magnetic charge. So you feel and think, your broadcast electromagnetic signal. So me say you have to vibrate on a higher frequency. Higher frequency without a vision. Our people perish. Our people perish. We have to have a dream. What you put in and what you get out. You can't cheat the grind now. Jah is never in a hurry, always on time. Not like man, always in a hurry, never on time. You have to have a vision. Without a dream, oh, it a go work. Dreamwork make the teamwork. Dreamwork make the teamwork. Yes, I am. Dreamwork make the teamwork. Yeah, man. No other way, you know.